So if you have a bay window, you'll probably agree with me on this one. It can be a challenge from making sure you don't have leaks. So this bay did have leaks. I felt that I took care of it really good. You know, the flashing up the sides good. Cleaned it all off. Did the drip edge around the outside. Made sure the holes were open. And then geckoed the whole thing. And did some rebuilding down in here. There's some videos on that. And then more importantly, maybe, up here, the roof comes down and runs over. So I put this flashing there, you can see it. So that way the water should not be able to go back onto the wood like it's been for years. And I was fairly confident that I had taken care of this whole thing. And lo and behold, they reported back to me that there's some leaks here again. So part of me was afraid to come up here and look because I'm like wondering what the heck did I do wrong. So I was looking around. I stuffed up this area to see, you know, is that where the leak is? And then I looked along the side and it looks like it's tight. And my aluminum is still good, so, you know, and the wood looks dry. So then I was looking around some more and I noticed this right here. And if you look there, that's a hole. So it appears to be there's a nail head right underneath there. So a nail that was underneath worked its way up and popped through the metal that was on here, because I think this is the original metal right here. Now I did aluminum here and I did aluminum there, but this was the original metal I cleaned off and felt that it was good. I did a lot of aluminum around here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull this up, get that nail out, because obviously it doesn't want to stay in. So if I knock it down, it's just going to come back. It's not in solid. I don't see any other spots. And it wasn't much of a leak. It was just a slow drip that they noticed one or two different times. So my guess is this is it right here. Hopefully the wood is still solid underneath and we caught it soon enough. I will be taking the ceiling out below, or at least getting up in there, so I'll be able to see what kind of damage and maybe be able to repair from below. But just thought I'd show you. So you gotta look close sometimes. It doesn't take much. And actually, now that I look, is that a spot right there? I think I'm gonna caulk that too. And maybe even there. Yeah, I think I'll do a little caulking here too. Just in case. Wouldn't hurt to seal that. That probably is not the cause, but okay, so let's rip this up. And get that nail out of there. Yeah, right there it is. Yeah. So I think this is a good, I thought about doing some aluminum over it. Maybe what I'll do is I could screw this down more. Maybe that's not necessary. I do have these screws here. I might put one or two in. And then definitely the gecko tape should take care of it. And there should be enough in this pail to do that. Okay, let's do it. And it's supposed to rain tonight, so we might find out if it worked.